In this lesson, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as enforcement, 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 enforcement. Let's see its meaning. It's a noun. It means the act of compelling observance of compliance with a law, rule, or obligation. Implementation. Now let's see its use in sentences. The police are responsible for the enforcement of traffic laws to ensure road safety. Strict enforcement of the new regulations has led to a significant decrease in pollution levels. The government announced tougher measures, further enforcement of anti-corruption laws. The school emphasized the enforcement of its dress code policy among students. Let's see more sentences. Effective enforcement of workplace safety rules can prevent many accidents. The Environmental Agency is tasked with the enforcement of wildlife protection laws. Critics argued that inconsistent enforcement undermined the credibility of the policy. The enforcement of curfews during the pandemic helped reduce public gatherings. Thank you for watching.